In this video, you're gonna learn basics of Helm and you're gonna get familiar with its core features. My name is Matúš, I am senior software engineer with more than 7 years of experience and I spent past 3 years working on projects that use Helm. Helm is a package manager for Kubernetes. It allows you to package multiple Kubernetes manifest files into a single unit called chart. Using a chart, complex deployment configuration of an application can be deployed in a single command. As the charts are versioned, you can simply roll back to a previous version in case of need. Now, let's look at the main features of Helm, which are also reasons why to use it. Helm provides simple package management as it packages multiple Kubernetes manifest files into single chart. Chart itself is a directory structure that contains chart file that consists of metadata such as name, version of chart, description, etc. Values YAML, which contains default values for templates. Templates directory, which is directory that contains templates, which are basically Kubernetes manifest YAML files that can include Go templating. To achieve better portability, charts can be packaged via Helm package command. This packages chart into compressed TGZ archive that can be easily distributed, stored on a repository, and installed. The second key feature of Helm is release management. Deployments, upgrades, and rollbacks can be done by simple Helm commands. Each deployment is identified by so-called attribute release name. Existing deployments can be listed by Helm list command. Deployments can be upgraded to a different version by Helm upgrade command. Let's imagine we have a new version of application or configuration that we want to upgrade to. Calling Helm upgrade, referring to release name and chart will upgrade the chart. History of chart versions is automatically tracked per release name. It can be simply listed by Helm history command. As we can see in our example, there are 2 deployments. Versions in a history can be referenced via revision number. Rollback to a specific version is done via Helm rollback command. As we can see, we roll back to version number 1. Another powerful feature of Helm is configuration management via templating. This provides ability to achieve various configurations without need of direct editing of YAML files. It is very helpful, for example, if we want to deploy our application into multiple setups, such as dev, test, and prod. To implement the templating, parameters of manifest files that should be configurable needs to be filled with Go templates. The format is key and colon, which is a standard YAML format, but instead of value, there is an expression within double curly brackets delimiters. Within the expression, there is typically reference to a value defined in values file. In case of our deployment YAML, we can see that, for example, replicas are templated. Values files are therefore sources of values for templates. There can be as many values files as many configurations we need. For example, dev, test, and prod. There is also default values file. In case of our values-test file, we define 2 replicas. Configuration that will be used is selected within Helm install or upgrade command. As we can see, 2 replicas were deployed as we defined in our values file. To verify how specific combination of template and value file will be rendered, we can use Helm template command. This renders configuration without installing it to cluster, what can be helpful, for example, for debugging purposes. So, this is all for today's video. All the examples will be linked down below in the description. If you enjoyed this video and you would like to learn more, please make sure to check out my other videos. Thank you. Bye.